Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a quick bun, low bun situation in the shower and go about your day. So I've already parted my hair, as you can see, and I have leave-in conditioner already on it. So that's why my hair looks kind of shiny and juicy. So we're just going to pin up your hair because you do want to work in sections, but this goes by a little bit quicker if you're not filming, of course. If you're just in the shower doing this, I promise it don't take a long time. So I'm going to add some of this Can2 curl cream. I've been loving this stuff for like low buns. I don't know. It doesn't take a lot of product, even though I used a lot of product. It don't even take all this. I just do this, okay? And what I'm going to do is just slather this stuff on. I'm going to continuously wet my hair, detangle, and just get each section super smooth, super sleek. And I'm just going to pin it back so that it's out of my way. So I'm just going to do this for my entire head. So now that the product is all over your head, your hair is smooth, detangled, and has all the product, you want to go in with a gel on top. And I like to go in with the Eco Styler just because it's a little heavier and I like it better for buns than the wet line. So now I'm going in with this Can2 brush tamer, whatever it's called. I absolutely love this thing, especially for my low buns and stuff. This stuff is really, really good. It gets right in there and it smooths it down and it doesn't hurt. It's not tugging on my hair or anything. So if you guys haven't tried that, definitely try that out. And now I'm just smoothing my hair down. And what you want to do at this process is you just want to smooth your hair down while also getting rid of some of the excessive product. Now, after you've squeezed your hair a lot, I didn't, but you want to squeeze it a little bit more than I did. You just want to take a hair tie. And as you guys can see, this is a very gentle hair tie. Now, I will link it in my Amazon store because I did get these from Amazon. They're nice and thick, but as you can see, it's very safe on my hair. You could just tell, right? It's very safe on my hair. So you just want to tie that really nicely. And look, it's nice and tight and smooth, and I don't know, I just really like doing my buns in the shower now. I don't know why. Now it's time to slay those edges. Get your mirror together. If it's clean, you should probably clean it, Kim. Yeah, clean it. Yeah. So yeah, dual purposes for this thing, you know. So no, seriously, it is time to do your edges. So make sure you sleek them out, okay? Okay. And I like to do this step as well. See, I like a nice stretch pony, so I just band my ponytail, but I like the look of my band ponytail first. So I like to wear that for a few days and then take it out and have like a nice stretched poofy puff when it dries. That's what I like to do. You guys can do whatever you want. You can keep it like this. I think it's cute like this. Or you can, you know, take it out, you know, when it's wet or whatever you want to do, that's fine. I just like to wear this until it dries and then take it out and have a nice, beautiful puff. Okay. Okay. So this is optional if you have some foam. I just like it to get rid of those last little flyaways at the top. And if you do a little mousse or a little foam at the top and then wrap your hair, y'all, it comes out so smooth and silky. So I hope you guys really liked this video. It was super short. Just wanted to show you guys that. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Can I go off already? Okay, go. Go, Kim. We're done. We're done.